In this video, I'll show you how to use the wheel strategy on the Robinhood web version step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Before starting, make sure options trading is enabled in your account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, use the search bar to find a stock you don't mind owning long-term and click on it to open its page. To begin the wheel strategy, click on Trade and select Trade Options. Choose an expiration date, then select a lower strike price and sell a put option. Enter one contract and review the premium you'll receive, then click Review Order and submit it. If the option expires worthless, you keep the premium and can repeat the process. If the stock is assigned to you, you'll now own 100 shares. Next, move to the second step. Go back to the same stock, click Trade Options, and this time select a higher strike price to sell a covered call. Choose your expiration date, enter one contract, and submit the order after reviewing. If the stock gets called away, you sell your shares at that price and keep the premium. If not, you keep the shares and can sell another call. Repeat this cycle of selling puts and covered calls to generate income over time. That's how the wheel strategy works in a simple way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.